Hi guys, in this video I will help you to find the hybridization for a central atom in a species, and this is the easiest method I am going to tell you. So let's start. The hybridization can be calculated by a simple formula which I am going to tell you, that is H equal to half V plus M minus C plus A. I am explaining the meaning of the symbol used here. So here V stands for the number of valence electron of the central atom. What number of valence electron of the central atom? Here M stands for number of bonded atom. Number of bonded atom to the central metal atom. To the central atom. Here C stands for the number of cationic charge, overall cationic charge on the molecule, and A stands for the number of anionic charge on a particular molecule, overall charge. So let's take an example to find the hybridization. So let's take the first example, the easiest example, methane. So its hybridization equal to half V. In this, the central atom, I am going to calculate the hybridization of carbon. So carbon is the central atom, so its number of valence electron is 4. It is bounded by 4 hydrogen atoms, so value of M will be 4. There is no net charge, neither the cation nor the anion, so it will be 0. So 8 by 2, which is 4, and for 4 it is sp3. So the hybridization of carbon in methane is sp3. Let's take another example. ICl4 minus. So in this, hybridization of iodine in a whole molecule is half valence electron 7 bonded by 4 chlorine atoms. So 4, no cationic charge, we have one anionic charge plus 1. So its hybridization is 6. So its hybridization will be sp3d2. Let's take one more example. You may take any example. I am taking IF6 minus, so its hybridization equal to half iodine valence electron 7 plus bounded by 6 fluorine atom, no cationic charge, we have one anionic charge, it's 7, and its hybridization here is sp3d3. So we have found the hybridization of I in IF6 minus. So I hope this is clear to you all. Have a look and do like and share this video.